Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect XM to MetaTrader 5. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, create your XM account from the official website. During registration, make sure you select MetaTrader 5 as your trading platform, because your account details will be created specifically for MT5. After registration is complete, XM will send you an email containing your MT5 login ID, password, and server name. Keep this information ready because you'll need it to connect your account. Next, download MetaTrader 5. You can install it directly from the XM website or download it from your device's app store if you're using a phone or tablet. Once MT5 is installed, open the application. On the desktop version, click File from the top menu, then select Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear. Enter the login ID provided by XM, type your password, and select or enter the server name exactly as shown in your email. After confirming the details, click OK. MetaTrader 5 will connect to your XM account, and once connected, you'll see your account balance, charts, and available trading instruments. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect XM to MetaTrader 5. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.